everybody, it's Ramona. I am here with you to share another Prima Frank Garcia parcel that I received. This is the mini album kit subscription. I just did have to go ahead and cancel it because, you know, since Clyde passed away, there's really no way for me to be able to afford something like this. And for those of you asking, yes, my Destashes will begin this week on my Destash channel, and if you would like to subscribe to that, that is called Destash Boutique, so you can look that up. And there'll be a little bit of everything, guys, in the lots that I will be selling. Some will be higher end, some lower hand. So I mean, it's a little bit of everything. So that's going to allow me to keep my house. I've got to do it. I don't have a choice. So anyway, yeah, guys, it's coming. Okay, so it always comes packaged pretty with, you know, all kinds of this crinkly paper. And I have no idea what this is. I have not looked at it yet. But it's always such a beautiful arrangement of a kit. So let's see. We have these flowers here that are included. We have these. Oh my gosh, guys, they are sugar glittered. Can you see that? Oh, it's so pretty. I love them when they're glittered like that. We have some enamel dots. Very, very pretty. And let's see, this is going to hopefully tell us what line this is. So we've got chipboard. I'm not sure if it's one. I think it's just one. I'm not sure. I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. Okay, so it's 2 sheets of chipboard. So they're not double-sided, but there are 2 sheets. Guys, this is such a pretty kit. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, more flowers. Pretty, pretty. And then we have, he always has a little bag of different embellishments. So there are pearls in mini roses and ribbon and some leather here. I hope I'm staying in frame. I really can't tell because of how I have to put the phone when I'm recording. It's kind of hard for me to tell if I'm in frame or not. He always includes a mini album that's ready to decorate. Okay. So this is, looking for the size 6.5 by 7.5. Okay. Very good size. That's a really nice size for a mini album. Okay, and then here we go. This is what the mini album will look like. And I didn't want to look at the card that is sent. He always sends a card with it. So this is what it's going to look like. Okay. And then you get the paper. And the paper is, it's the Pretty Mosaic collection, which I have never seen before. And it comes wrapped up really nicely like this. Okay. So you get your instructions on what to do. And yeah, so it'll give you all the instructions on each page layout. Okay, this is really pretty. All right. And then we have some pretty thick cardstock here. Oh my gosh, guys, this is such a beautiful collection. Look how pretty that is. That is really pretty. So you get 2 pages of this one. Look at that. I may have to go back and order like, oh my Lord. I'm just like in love with this collection. It's so pretty. Look at the foil stamping. Okay, and then you have your cut aparts. Very pretty. And then that's the back side. And you get 2 pages of the cut aparts. Then you get this, I guess this is where mosaic, the word mosaic comes in. Double-sided there. And gold foiling on this too. Look at that. That is just beautiful. And you know, you can always kind of stray away from like what he, so you get 3 pages of those, from what he suggests in his instructions. You know, you don't always have to go step by step. You can always stray away and do something different if you want to. But I'm in love with this collection. I've never even seen it before. So I wish some more of the stores by my house would carry Prima, you know. But yeah, I don't have a single store near me. And guys, I'm in a big area. I'm in the Dallas area. So all of the stores near me have shut down. They can't compete with the big box stores. I guess that's what you call it. So anyway, guys, yeah, that is the February kit. I was so sad that I had to go ahead and cancel my subscription. But, you know, every penny counts right now that I'm making. So, yeah, I kind of have to stick with it. I don't have a choice. And again, guys, my Destash channel will be called Destash Boutique. And you can just go ahead and do a YouTube search. I've got a big giveaway announcement this week. And it's a giveaway on both channels. So if you subscribe to both channels, you will be eligible for that, the 2 giveaways. So it's like a way, if you don't win on one, you've got a chance in the other. And the one that is the bigger chance right now, of course, is Destash Boutique, because it's a brand new channel. So that one's kind of a no-brainer to go ahead and follow that one. So, yeah, that kind of like ups your chances by 150%. So, anyway, guys, yeah, go ahead and follow me on both the channels, and I will give you instructions on how to enter. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye-bye.